If your Nissan Rogue backup camera is showing a black screen or glitching out, we can narrow down the cause in just a few minutes. Nearly 40% of Nissan backup camera failures are caused by simple loose connections or wiring harness wear in the rear hatch. Before you buy a replacement camera, let's run through the diagnostic checklist to find the actual culprit. Start with the basics by cleaning the lens and verifying that your reverse lights actually engage when you shift gears. Sometimes the problem is digital, requiring a firmware update or a simple settings reset within the Nissan Connect menu. If the software is fine, physical damage to the wiring harness in the rear hatch is the most likely hardware failure. You can handle fuses and connectors yourself, but complex harness routing or head unit issues might require a professional. While a fuse is a $10 fix, a full camera and harness replacement at a dealership can easily exceed $400. To inspect the hardware, remove the interior hatch trim and use a multimeter to check for power at the camera connector. Make sure you have plastic trim tools and contact cleaner ready before you start pulling panels apart. Keep an eye out for internal moisture. If you see fogging inside the lens, the camera's internal seals have likely failed. Fixing your backup camera restores a vital safety feature. If this helped you find the problem, subscribe for more Nissan troubleshooting.